Have you ever struggled with blind spots when reversing your car, especially at night or in tight parking spaces? I know that feeling all too well, and it's frustrating, even nerve-wracking. That's why today, I'm reviewing the VOX Solar Wireless Backup Camera, a product designed to solve that exact problem with ease. Stick with me until the end of this video because I'll share what it is like using it, highlight its standout features, and let you know why it's worth considering for your vehicle. And before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss my future reviews, and check the link in the description for the best deals on this product. Also, leave a comment below letting me know what you think about this camera. I'd love to hear your thoughts. The VOX Solar Wireless Backup Camera comes packed with impressive specs that make a real difference in everyday driving. It features a built-in 1080p image sensor paired with a 4.5-inch IPS screen, which delivers vibrant, true-to-life visuals that make reversing safer and clearer. The infrared night vision automatically adapts to low-light conditions, so whether you're backing out of a dim garage or parking at night, you'll still get a crisp view. Installation is refreshingly simple thanks to the USB power interface, which works seamlessly with newer vehicles and keeps the setup clean and clutter-free. To help keep everything organized, the package includes 3M adhesive clips that tidy up wiring, giving your dashboard a neat look. And here's a fun twist. The camera comes with 3 playful bunny ears, adding a cute personalized touch that makes your setup stand out. On top of that, it's powered by a robust 5,000 mAh battery, supports a quick 2-minute DIY installation, and even offers a split-screen backup camera option. With its IP69K waterproof rating, it's built to withstand rain, mud, and tough outdoor conditions, making it suitable for cars, vans, SUVs, trucks, and trailers. What really makes this camera stand out is the combination of high-quality visuals and effortless installation. You don't need professional help to get it running. Within minutes, you can have a reliable backup view that will instantly boost your confidence behind the wheel. The split-screen feature is especially useful if you're driving larger vehicles or towing a trailer because it gives you multiple angles at once. The waterproof design reassures during heavy rains, and the battery life is excellent. You won't find you're constantly worrying about recharging. The playful bunny ears may sound quirky, but they add personality to what's usually a very utilitarian device. This backup camera is best suited for drivers who want a reliable, easy-to-install backup camera without dealing with complicated wiring or expensive professional setups. Whether you're a daily commuter, a family driver, or someone managing larger vehicles, this camera adapts beautifully to different needs. If I had to point out one shortcoming, it would be that the screen size, while clear, might feel a bit small for those who prefer larger displays. But honestly, the clarity of the 1080p visuals more than makes up for it. And overall, the VOX Solar Wireless Backup Camera is absolutely worth it for the convenience, safety, and peace of mind it provides. If you're tired of guessing what's behind you when reversing, this camera could be the solution you've been waiting for. So check the link in the description to grab the best deals on this wireless solar backup camera, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with backup cameras. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more automotive reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.